Solid email marketing advice that is proven. Do you have an active email marketing campaign that isn't doing as well as you might have hoped? Are you intrigued, but don't know the best way to start? You have come to the best place. Here, you will find some great advice and techniques that will enable you to create emails that will be of interest to anyone. To make sure your emails don't turn people off, always seek permission before sending them out. Include a subscription button on your site, and encourage regular customers to have their friends sign up as well. If you'd like to give people some extra encouragement to subscribe, you could feature subscriber-only deals. Create a personal email for your readers. As with many other types of marketing, people are more likely to respond if they feel a personal connection with you. It could be highly beneficial to find out the reason why they opted in, and use this information in your email. If you are emailing potential customers, consider following up with some video clip. You could try inserting a line within your message that tells them to order now. The ending of the message could inform these people that they can become a customer immediately by clicking on the provided link. Insert a link to your subscription form into your marketing newsletters. That way, if your customers forward marketing emails to their friends can easily subscribe to your list too. Using this strategy makes it easy for you to build a large list of potential customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails. While email marketing is a highly effective tool, it only works well if you use it properly. Now that you've read the above tips, you have an idea of what you must do to implement a successful email marketing campaign. Apply these tips and you will see results fast. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.